Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your tablet model and OS version, because compatibility prevents wasted effort. Once done, make sure you have at least 200 MB free for downloads and backups. You enable installation from unknown sources only if you will sideload a theme. This is a brief, controlled change. Download the theme APK or official theme pack to internal storage and keep a copy of your current launcher or wallpaper. Now, proceed to install or prepare the theme file for application. You install the theme by tapping the APK or importing the pack into the tablet's theme manager. Follow on-screen prompts to complete installation. Once installed, grant necessary permissions: storage, display overlay, and launcher access, so the theme can replace icons and widgets. Then apply the theme and use the customization menu to tweak icons, font sizes, and widgets. You can restore individual elements without changing the whole look. Make sure to test both home and lock screens to confirm full coverage. You complete the process by rebooting the tablet to let system services register the new theme. This often fixes minor visual glitches. If icons, fonts, or widget layouts look wrong, clear the launcher cache, reset the launcher, or uninstall and reinstall the theme. These steps resolve most conflicts. Make sure to export or back up the theme profile so you can restore it quickly. If installation still fails, revert the unknown sources setting and try an official store theme for compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.